Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I am Blaya. I make beauty videos giving you tips and tricks to help you stay looking beautiful all day long. Ensure that you join the friendship circle by hitting that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you are notified. Now in today's video I'll be showing you simple steps to achieve a full face makeup without wasting much of your time. Let's get right into the video. So step 1 is skincare. This step is very important. It will reflect and influence the outcome of your makeup. Ensure that your face is clean. I like to put a few pumps on my wipe. After cleansing, apply your moisturizer. Never forget your lips, because your lips are part of your face, so whatever you are doing to your face you should also do to your lips. So I'm going to moisturize my lips with this lip balm. The next thing you want to do to complete this step is to apply your primer. This step you do not want to skip, because this step is very important in the outcome of your makeup application. When you apply primer, it just makes your makeup look effortless and seamless and beautiful, and primer usually fills those little lines. This is the primer I am going to be using. Skincare is complete. The next thing you have to do, you have to wait for about 5 minutes for all the products you just applied to sink in before moving on to your actual makeup application. Hi guys, so now that our skin is done, our skin has been hydrated and taken care of, now it's time to move on to step 2. This step is a time killer. It's where you actually apply your makeup. You apply all of your makeup. You apply your foundation, you apply your concealer, you apply your contour, everything and blend in place. And this is literally going to take you less than 10 minutes. And meanwhile, if you were to do this individually, it will take you about 20 to 30 minutes just to complete this process. So the first thing I love to do is to apply my foundation. I'm just going to put a little bit here. I love to apply my foundation with a flat brush. After applying my foundation, I love to go in with my contour. Apply your concealer. So this is the concealer I'm using. I don't know if you can tell, but the concealer I just applied is a little bit too dark. It is in my actual skin shade. So to brighten more my face, I'm going to be applying another concealer, a very bright concealer in the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro concealer. Applied all of the product. Oh my god, I look so beautiful. What do you think in this face? Moving on, step 3. This is where you blend out all of your products. You want to start from your brightest to your darkest color. So I'm going to be using my trusted angle brush. I'll start with my temple. Ooh, snatched. Ooh, okay, now that our concealer is in, the next thing you want to do is to move on to the next brightest color. And if you can see from this side, you'll be able to tell that the brightest color on our face is the foundation. When you're blending around your forehead, you want to make sure you go in a upward motion. That way your product blends into your hairline. I hope that makes sense. Ensure that you blend very well because blending is key. My face and my neck are the darkest part of my body, so when I do my makeup, if I do not apply makeup to my neck, you will be able to tell that I have a different color on my neck compared to the rest of my skin. So keep that in mind. Okay, here is a tip. We have been using this angle brush to blend out this product. So now I am going to do my contour. So I have been using this brush like this. So what you should do if you are using an angle brush like this, you should flip it over. That way you are able to blend your contour in place without pushing it down. So I'm just going to flip this over like so and just blend my contour in place. I'm further going to go in with this beauty blender just to ensure that everything is blended like the beginning, starting from the brightest to the darkest. So now that your blending process is complete, it's time to move on to step 4, the final step, setting. So I'm going to be using this buff to apply my setting powder. This is a translucent powder. I'm going to be putting this translucent powder in all the areas that I applied concealer. You are doing this, be very careful because you don't want to move your product. Just pat on your product like the setting powder I'm using now. Be very gentle with it so that the initial product you have on does not move. Ooh. Now I am done applying products to set my concealer in place, which is my highlighted areas, the places I applied my concealer. The next thing you should move on to is setting your foundation in place. This is the setting powder I'm going to be using. I'm going to be putting the setting powder on all the areas that I applied foundation. So now that our concealer has been set in place, our foundation has been set in place, the next thing you should do is to set your contour, this over here, with a bronzer. Finish off with a setting spray. If you wear blush and highlighter, this is where you should apply your blush and highlighter. Feel free to do you. If not, this is a full face except for the brows. You can fill in your brows and you are good to go. So personally, I love me some blush and some highlights. I love my face popping. It's gorgeous. And here you have it. Please like this video, ensure that you share with a friend if you find this video informative and educative, or if you've benefited from this video in one way or the other. Please hit that like button and share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. This is so beautiful. Damn, this is gorgeous.